Hello students, General Aptitude Test 1, CS Test ID 110011, question number 57. So what is the question? Rate of depreciation for a motor purchased 3 years ago is 10% per annum. Find the purchase price of the motor if its present value is given. So what is the rate of interest is given? 10%, and time is given as n is equals to 3 years. And present value is given as what is given, this is given part. Okay, present value is given 25660.80. Fine. And we have to calculate what was the value 3 years. We have to find the cost price, that is the purchase price of the motor. So you know all the formula for the calculating the present prices. Present price is P into 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. We have to find out P. What is, we have to find P. What is P? And present price is given. So simple. Just we will put the values 25660.80 and P 1 minus 10 by 100 to the power 3. So it will be P 0.9 whole to the power q, that will be equals to P into 0.729. So when we will divide this P value, we have to divide it here, 660.80, that will be 0.729. So the answer will be, when you calculate this value, this will come 35200. So answer will be C. See, here also one trick is there. I will tell you. See, what is the rate of depreciation given here? 10%, and it was for 3 years. So for first year, the rate of depreciation will be 0.9 because it is 10% per annum. Then for the second year, it was 0.81. Then for third year, it is 0.729. So we will simply divide the value, whatever the present value is given. The present value of that motor is 25660.80 divided by 0.729. Okay, like you don't have to calculate the value, simply see. Like first option is 35500, so it is because if you go 9 into 5, then it will be 30, like 35. So this is 8 should come, the end of the 8. So if you multiply by 2, then 8 will come, 9 to 18. So the first option is not true. Then B option same, 00, it cannot be ended 00. Then D also it's not correct. So the remaining option is C. So the answer will be C. Thank you.